In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Up Your Beats Volume 1 on a mobile phone. Let's get right into it. Alright, first thing you want to do, scroll and pick your template out. Let's go with the first one. We're going to go with Instagram 1080 by 1080. Alright, hit use template. And if you don't have an account, just create one. It's free. Alright, so now that we have the template in front of us, first thing we want to do is upload our beat. So we're going to click this. We're going to have this beat that's already here in place for us. And we're going to hit replace. And you can pick the device that you want to use to upload your beat. We already have a beat uploaded, so let's put that. And if you click on the music note, it'll play for you. Alright, so we're just going to pause that. Next thing you want to do is play the template so you know what you're working with. Okay. Let's pause that. We're going to change the video that's inside the TV to something a little bit more appropriate to our beat. So we're going to hit replace. And we're going to go to our videos or images. It's up to you. We're just going to use this video of a vehicle. All right. And if you play that, you'll see that the vehicle will play. Beat title, let's switch that up. We're going to add a beat title here. I'm going to call this Champion. Just going to adjust it. Boom, beautiful. Then we're going to change our artist name type. We're going to put Kanye type beat. And as you're editing, you might want to switch things up like I want to right now. I can switch that video for an image and put a Kanye image. Okay, and these images you can get on your own. All right, and next thing we want to do is go ahead and add our website here. I'm just gonna put our website. Okay. All right, and let's play it. And if you want to download, hit this button at the top right, hit download. Download as an MP4 video, and it's preparing your design, and it will download to your phone directly. Alright guys, and this is how to use Up Your Beats Volume 1 on a mobile phone. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to hit us up at thisisupperside@gmail.com.